In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up some very simple local business schema for your local business website. And this method assumes that you're using WordPress because we're going to be using the RankMath SEO plugin. And when it's working, this is what it looks like. You have schema for local business, and it has the business name, and it has all the business information here. And this is very useful to Google. It just very quickly conveys all of this information to them, which they are looking for. So when you provide it for them like this, they don't have to go looking for it. It's just handed to them on a silver platter. So we go into our website, we get our RankMath plugin, and then we can go to the dashboard and you can see this local SEO module. Just turn it on, go into the settings, and you have all your local SEO options here. For the schema, you put your website name, the organization name, add a logo. One thing that is really important, you should have the business type. There's a lot of business types here. Find the closest one related to your business. If you're not sure, you could just put local business and make sure you add the address, the hours, the phone number, and if you want, you can also put the geo coordinates of the business. Now, to get the geo coordinates of the business, it's really simple. You can just take the address, go into Google Maps, put in the address, and then you can see at the top here in the URL, you have this at, and then these two comma separated values. And then you can just bring them into here and paste them. Remove the at. And just like that, we have the geo coordinates. So once that's saved, you can go and test it on this rich results testing page provided by Google. And that just brings up all the schema for the specific web page that you're testing. So we check here, we see we have type, local business, organization, ID, name, URL, postal code. There's the address, the country, URL for the logo, hours, geo coordinates, address again, and telephone number. And this just makes it easy for Google to figure out what's actually going on your local business website. And that can help with ranking, or it can help with getting the site indexed faster. Anytime you do some kind of work with schema, it's all about speeding up how quickly a search engine can digest the information that's on a web page. So without schema, it would have to scan the whole page, parse the text on the page, and then use its machine learning algorithm to figure out the context of the content that's on the page. And that can just eat up time and crawl budget for your site. When you do something like local business schema, you are telling them directly what the answer is for the questions that they're trying to get answered.